for us. They go beg it back. Now when they talk, your wife, you insult a no give where you insult a part, not be your own clear eye. Now your wife na cause. Now them I want for the change from all of now. Your wife na cause where you insult your own godfather. Because from the beginning of that quarrel, now your godfather wife you talk to. Now you move your wife, you talk. Now your wife they bring a pie issue, they insult the part for inside. Even we are beyond. All this humiliation when I give you the movie, now your wife be the architect of all. The architect, your wife, and the loves of money, what you get for money, long truth, what you get for money, leads to the architect of insult where you give your godfather. So when you apologize, let your wife be there with you. If you need peace, you need to first settle the pieces where you cause, the damages where you cause, before the peace go reign. Carry your wife for nobody. Now advice. Now advice, and we go what you go make peace really great. We go make sincere apology to come out. Not be the it's good to come out on live video, can't apologize. But the best apologies what you go make now when you and your entire family go visit your godfather for us. And on your knees, go visit your godfather for us. I tell you these things, you know, they take my word. You go to take an saga. I say you get twists. God bless you with twists. And you beat twists. The head of twists is not good with the tape out. You dealt with twists and you have twins. And the twins you have, you think they're happy with you. When you are dealing with twins, that is the reason why you need to go carry your children when you go bury a pa. You understand? Carry your children and your wife follow body. Gonna go apologize to a pa the Murphy. You see me, Baba, with this man. But me and you, we not play, we not be friends. I tell the truth. I don't know you for nowhere. You don't know me for nowhere. We'll not be friends. You fuck with me, and anything I see you, I'll fuck you up. It's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. Me and you don't feel get peace. Till we go die. You don't know me, I tell you. Baba with this man at the talk. My way cool. I not be like you. Anything we go make, who go send me and what settle with enough, you will come swear. Put. I know say your swear. To say your swear the key. It will kill many people for this social media. You understand? But you coming out to apologize to the movie is a nice one. And I really thank you for that one. You tried. God bless you. God bless your asshole. But me and you will not be peaceful. I like my way to cool. Or not even me out of the my way to cool. Anybody will carry my name go juju. Now God go punish her. Anybody will carry my name go juju. Now in here they go take pay. You understand? Anybody carry my name go juju shirai. Now in head, in life, in family head, now you take pay. Then they come on live video, they call the tell me say you don't know what you do me, you not do me anything. You not do me anything. So you come and say I call a Chris, where I call insult for social media, I call it mad. Now this I define the saga, define quarrel, then I call it insult for social media. You see your life. No Nissan or Miamia, no Hoi Mamiamia. So you don't know what to break quarrel between me and you for this social media. You don't know what to break quarrel between me and you. The good, where your good will take you, your good will kill you. When DJ Wisdom Man go report you for police station, when me, Atiti, Dada Masses sit down together for last video, they beg DJ Wisdom Man and make they go withdraw the case for police station because we will be one. When you come out, you come with a praise that Dada Masses, they insult me. You and your Nyama fans, you come out for last video, they insult me, they praise Dada Masses. You forget. No Nissan Ramiamia, no Hoi or Mamiamia. Then you they come and they call the talk, say, me, we can't get there in peace. Me and you there in peace. When you they plant my back, may they turn me to death and down. Then me and you can't there in peace. This one, that one, next generation. They feel me. If you don't know, don't be every matter, they feel they settle. Every matter here, every matter here, we go aji. Oh, I read the movie is just normal. My feel settle now. You understand? Working my way. and look and get the better. Ya say go kan. No wishing you nya wa yela. Either if you move go. Understand? On ina bolo. So my people, what's the ina go because that I would if you really need to know because me no say this your apology where you apologize to. Now because of what you define for destiny in hand. Where go and when not go Untigo no we go will be destiny made backward. Let's start. Or you will apologize because of the favor where you define for Esther hand. Now make you go to this apologies. Man, not be say I don't know. If you respond, no, no. Papa with the smile, no. You understand? Because you know they beg for nothing. You know they do all this thing for nothing. You know one side. No, yeah, you marry a very useless woman. You marry a very naughty woman. You don't have peace in your house. You want to come on social media to come and make peace. You don't value social media more than your home. Ikata ma wewe osawumesi o mu ohin on yin go din wodin o me nwa sewe yin ohin re mu we fi ran all this nyanga no le yede na osawumesi o si we ya osawumesi do ha we ni o si we ya a responsible man you know say you don't offend people and you want to apologize. First of all, the apologies need to come from your house. Your house. Oh, how any you talk sense into your wife's brain, or you are the man of the house. You understand? Who seek sense into the head of your wife before you come on live video? See the way your wife they fool you for live video, you don't know. Go read comments. Go read your wife comments. If you build your relationship on social media, it ends on social media. I just see you like small pikin. The last born is me. Or you who you want it. Anyway, a map ban when you know social media. You don't want it. Big my work when I last born is me. In nonsense in way. So I say I can't manage you me. No what doing social media. Your husband they talk. Woman with the respect man. Your husband they talk. Even though your husband never even hear seek your own opinion. He's speaking on behalf of the household. He's the man of the house. You go lock up all the anger put out of mind. No wabo wedi. Ayo ayumudia. You must come house. You come face her for us. That's how to know a responsible woman. Not as if they talk, you the full on the public. See all your comment, me and the reader. Even they reply you they comment, they fool your husband. Say because you don't know what you pass through when that saga happen when you get belly. You way you know say you get belly. You they carry your husband head for saga. You don't know how many times people they call you say, tell your wife me not call you, I not call you now. Tell your wife me keep quiet. Make you not talk. If you as the man do saga, let your wife stay aside. What dance every life video go flash back and watch this video. I've been a plan for you. You know nothing they had me to do. What dance and you expect people to keep you quiet then. You don't want you see they're not going to reply you. Then your husband and they try to make peace. You did against the peace where they make. On public. Responsible woman. That's when you far. Why is it another week? You got to it is on you. I got to put every grant. Someone there has every grant. No respect. Wọ́n pàrẹ ìkìnnà bí ọkì sísan wọ́n dẹ́rẹ́ àgbọ̀n wa ni wà á ìlàjà live video wà á pẹ́ẹ́tì yẹn wà á bá yẹ̀rẹ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀yẹ̀rẹ̀ bí náà tọ́ ká ọ̀kìkpó bí náà tọ́ ọ̀kìkpó wà á bá kìá wà á bùdẹ́ live video wọ́n dọ̀ àpèsè mi náà nílẹ̀ wà á má sẹ̀ àti ẹni wà á bí ẹni mi wà á mọ̀ ọ wà á mọ̀ àwọn akpọ̀rọ̀ gbó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ mẹ́mẹ́ ẹ̀ ká mọ̀ yẹlẹ̀ lè gbé yóò. Whereas of Vievie now we pass through is how Enogi of Vievie now we pass through Obosa see of Vievie now of Vievie now we feel you but no man. or pass through, boy. I care for Ikata Muwa. I mean, marriage not perfect. It I don't get more boga you over. Okunoma, Wama, Shosh. Aproko ya move a comment you were. Comment Wawa, Jaga Bilea Latin. Buza Kodun Wadish. Wawe be seven boo in Nuki. Ewe. Or Ewa, or you sorted a pa. Who work you go wawe, or you Janet, or Janet correct me. Nedimufi. Wawa can have it by Ania. No la, no, you to the most on the above. I'm not talking about me, my work. Or give me one, me, give me. I will go with the live video. Me, because the saga, my way, my pay. I will tell me when we are a split in 1 year saga. Eh, joke. I know you're going to say forgive. That is that name everybody that forgive for. That name for everybody. Because of that, people you go do you don't need forgiveness. I want to go now. When I stop, then I go for. But nevertheless, me and you, we know within the soul for this your apologies. Understand? But I thank God for your boldness. We still can apologize. We pa, I pan and go apologize to. Not concern you. All this secret plan, we're gonna plan. We're gonna take care of my matter, go into dot of shrine. Now you come and tell me say, you don't know what you don't know what you do me. You dey talk that thing, that word we will just talk for math. You don't spoil everything. So I'm making 2 times we do that thing. The other day you still apologize. You say you go beg your wife, make your wife apologize to me. You don't have no man. You are not man sober. Why no you go value? If you are a man, as I did so, anything where I talk here, now from my household, from my wife, from my children, I talk. I stood to be the head of the house. Whatever I say is final. Now me and my wife can't get issue for his house. If I don't his house. Even we got to have it, no matter what. May you face it, you go face him for his house. If you want quarter, we quarter. Now we may even saga ourselves for his house. If you want beg and go still beg for his house. You see, we ain't a toy. Now we you ain't a toy. Osaro me wa low na. Osaro see or low where. So we say low. For you to still both come out for live video, come apologize. Apologies to your wife. Your wife you are ready with that me. The man I am going go and tap your wife. The man I tap a bride price. Man I tap a Latin. You understand? We didn't momo na mu no we moma obu. We hinogi. O saro mi a lo kwere. Wa mi hu ne wona. O ye problem o ye be di o be ye be di. O saro mi a ye be mu we. When you not see it, because umai so bia mo yo wana sagbada gbon no awe iri yo ni bio wa ga ji rio iru mana so bia e go paro no kan he ya mo ye ni ru de bo sie uno ya ri oku no loe oku no yo bia yo inu bia wona ga inu e na je te na mo na je e che me na mo ina we metu ya hu o kan gbe to moto o kan yo bia wona ga oku e kin wa va do live video na ogbo na wo wala not to live live video yin we na how wo but my yin ya wo wa than for you to come out on live video come apologize to your wife on live video mi ko no no we reason me so falling hard as a man wo pe at all ebi kere when you there eru when we gbe na di mo fi we when me di mo fi la dian all the that way apologize to is okay apologize to my wife it's okay I mean apologize to my wife it's okay. Have you ever seen that man doing it who we yan di mo yan is okay who we yan fa yan home where on the yan home where on be live video e di mo fi afa na yan home go gun area e yo sa se wa gun area only said mama only said where on be live video. Are you not hearing? You want fun, you care. That's not how to care for woman. That does not show you love your wife. It's a stupidity to the highest level. Stupidity to the highest level. It does not show you love your wife. It's not by coming out every time, any little issue, you always come, apologies to my wife. Apologies to my wife. I'm sorry, my wife. I really love you. That does not show you love your wife. My God, they learn something from men we get sense. Maybe for the wise. Maybe they manage your home. We are manager. Be a manager of your home, or be a conductor. Now your wife will be the manager. Now you'll be the conductor of that home. So we are not your when you are your control. Oh, even on the working boom. Before you can control them, you must have that capacity. You understand? That big capacity. Because why? Okuri no diwa weni. Kayagi diwa kayagi benokidi. Uyagi ni ya nyere benokidi. Uyagi je all luera wa. Kate na ga modin wa big be. Dijo luera wa. Uyago wa no kiri. Olokunare alo. Bangbe ne gbogbo video. But there's never a time in here nowhere unless you are a man that is physically strong and spiritually balanced. Can you imagine? We are going to go to or everything about this. However, it would carry several. It cannot ìwà yìí gbọ́ ẹgbẹ́ àyèbọn ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀yìn náà yobi ègúsí pápá náà yẹ ẹ̀sìn yàn òṣàwọ̀ mẹ́sì dẹ́gẹ̀ ló ń yá fàfi gbọ́ ẹ̀ social media wo wọ́dà fún ọ̀rẹ́ mú gbòtò rẹ̀ mẹ́rin yá pa ní gbogbo rẹ̀ mú gbòtò as a woman. You don't know you disgrace yourself as a woman. Who will come here and cook with zero. If you don't know, let me tell you. Come on, cook with that degoda from bedo. Or maybe came in to work loud one and could not be agree. Or dinner gabaya way. Uma home do ya put away of vinegar by way. Every way of vevu, a jack brand was yes of was soon. You could know any be agree. And the way I want we were if we really start. No matter what. Every time you come fast to hear, slow to the heart. Or I tell you, not talking over like that video. The funny way you get you. Get you. But so me, I was saga. I was saga. On no one equal, on no for him. Me, or you get you to me like a sharpness or you make too much. Or your phone, or call you on the phone, or call you where then they need to weigh more. Oh, please, little, what's happening? Are you okay? Are you okay? Take it easy, calm down. You to be washing me again, everything. I'm going to have it. You tell me, okay, no. I have to reduce my voice. On your own, equally, or no funny. The ones who are winning, or tap is a what you supposed to say, or have been, or I'm a Facebook or the Facebook, or have been. Distracted that way. You are distracted that man. It doesn't show you are, it doesn't show you that you are responsible at all. Or must show you responsible woman of you at all. What you did yesterday. The man go with an ekito dobi moving or son of the or do apologize. La go a live video or do apologize in the world. La go every who why ye remote in what pay. We were paying you pay to appear with them on your love or why you're not there, what they susu. Why you're not there, we are kill a damn all. Iwani eternal. My power part two. Am I if you bania? Are you be willing? Am I move your own? Am I move your own? Would you say now? The book be a what day you know see you was one of his big mother. When I make yes, yeah, you study attitude you. You study your attitude. Your attitude will ginger the man to go and move on fast. Unyi or ginger piani. Kind of move away would I on that bank on a signal. Oh, yeah, I'm going. But look at the character we perform now. Every agboyage. Unyi will not tell you venom. Illa go do have it or ye. This is not saga. It's an advice. Yes, saga. Agboya followers no other for Kenity right home. Kenity, God bless you. Mommy, love and life you. You are right. Continue. Daddy Laura is doing bad. Daddy Laura is not supposed to apologize. The commenter that are commenting both the good and the bad, they know your true attitude. Agboya it is one agboe. He must almost say, I don't know, you will deba who of yet. You understand? When we know get it wrong, so I want to say, go and change your attitude. Very important. Go and change your character. I am in the that for deal here, especially when you know she's a popular person on social media. You understand? We all know what's wrong. No matter the offense or the way anyway, you need to control your temper. Or the way it's already on the hot seat. This live video you set it down on, especially when you're watching comments, you're on a hot seat. Make a sign of your name can confuse you if you're not stable as a man or a woman. When in priceless, you respect you with the same thing, you also confuse if you don't take time. Oko gbibiare oko ose na biemu ati onyime iziegbe wa aziegbe mi numana oko no aziegbe mi ese de jiwodo ya because man odo ebi buno le man odo ma odo eri ma be dozo yi ope no ma dozo yi e ti di oko iwa. You understand? Ose na ti ma odo oko ni ma ya mu le no ozo ya ima do ose ma na odo emi buno le man imu zi na yakoba gbo obokpi aoji. So one way or the other we must get it wrong. Ose okbela di owo iwon no pa. That's why you are here part of me. Don't be the man. At the moment a woman become the man of the house and the man become the woman, relationship in your yeke. You understand? When we not get it wrong. You want to make an apologies, public apologies. This Betsy, you want to apologize to humiliated you and you humiliated him too as your father. Good and fair. Wake up to your work way to order it. No matter what. Look at your work and what to order. Honey, see what I want to. You go first of all confide on your wife. Or see oku no bia move by yiki. Oku no bia yiki no bia oku no bia no you bia yiki you ko ya gba yo za gba oku bia ni de. Oku bia no ni oku no se ti you gba yiki. Every na here we get say e de. Oku bia ni se ti de. How can a woman you beg it is when you are truthful to your wife, when you always open up to your wife, when you are sincere with your wife. Or you beg back because only can't take away. Zebeben ya fin koa lilien. You understand? With all this your apologies yesterday, how are you sincere with your wife? Or how am I? Because if she know if it was a plan war between you and your wife could even be commenting for your favor. If you will be commenting for peace, you'll be advocating for peace. As you are on life, your wife comment will be an advocate of peace. Edo Gilda Miomena. O when mama at Borubu, Adolowa Wejide, Ukeleniari, ambassador of peace when you are not in peace with your wife. You need to be in peace in your home before you come in on social media to make peace. We beg, apologize for peace, no dinner, or not fire. So you create peace on social media and you come hold your houses on fire. What kind of ambassador are you? You work according to your need. You understand? When you by woman because of your favor, for your selfish interest, why apologize? Because if not, that apology is supposed to be done within you and your wife from the upsets. Then what I know Baba or Baba Lao, forgive him, agree, Marita or Wema Lao, forgive him, Lao. Your wife will be there because when you are insulting this man, insulting our wife, your wife was even the one engineering you. The one you could not remember, your wife will be reading it for you on social media. Your wife is supposed to come and daddy Lao. You will not see everybody will not join her. Say, these people they don't really sorry. You did not do that. Now, there are some people that was humiliated because of you. There are some people at the movie insulted because of you. Now you are coming to make peace. You didn't do it in a very open ballot way, in a very unique way that you are really sincerely sorry for everything. Somebody like Precious Meg. I know that time Precious Meg, the movie have this one Precious Meg. But in matter what, you know if you come and say, my sister, Walaho, one as soon as soon don't die, who da insult, like with the Vegina. A bad boy, I know my gullible fans, the way they were calling. Now you not expect me. Then when they were Monica GPC, I'm not a friend of GPC. When there are some people that fought for me, that people that caught in all those native doctors those times. You think I don't have brain? You say, oh, it is war, even one. Then I will just wake up one day where I'm sorry, Monica, I'm sorry, Inogi, I'm sorry, Yelora, I'm sorry, Ugo, I'm sorry. I want peace. Am I stupid? Am I being here? Imagine we're reasoning yes so with the reason. Imagine we're magbo. Imagine but there are yakuwe na yakuwe abiyesi go you know. I don't understand. People that were humiliated, even both one in fake accounts that were insulted, no, you couldn't come out to address people properly. Like a learned person, like another year school. No, just come out because of your selfish interest. Even you are saying building a GPC, I am my cousin in a GPC, whatever, as their own cup of tea. You understand? Because you never do worry. They are the one that energize you, they are the one that pump you to insult people to that extent. That's why the table has turned around, and I'm so happy for that. You understand? But you could have turned the table around in a very good manner, that you will be respected, you will have respect as a man. Abu boy, you are not a man, father of 3 kids now. Here, Okbaro or Minnie, you understand? When we rename, 3 legs, then 4 legs, then you don't get so. Why you behaving now? That's why. So my friend toast again. You understand? I want you now that way, but now, well, I fancy men, so nobody that what, you know, why have been a man, why am I during the fight, during the insult, or the humiliation, the disgrace, but well, ní kémi ní dídí wé pa wàlà wa gbọ́n yìí pa wà débà mẹ́wàá yìí pa wàlà ha òwò pa yìí pa yìí bùkà yẹn wàlà ha kí mẹ́kọ̀ bùkà yẹn kí mẹ́kì yóò wà yẹn pé à sọ́rí mẹ́nà yà gbọ́n mu wà dọ́ azé bọ́ àwọn àmì live video and I have forgiven you. I don't want you to forgive me. Go forgive her. I have forgiven you. I want you to forgive me. Nigeria wash, how may I apologize to Nigeria wash? You see the way I apologize to Nigeria wash. I did that apology sincerely from my heart. Because that's the only way, you know, yeah, to release it. I don't have my YouTube channel. Since you demand for apologies, that I should come and apologize. If I do that, she will release that YouTube channel. All I need to do, I need to come and really sincerely allow what to you. And really will forgive. For him to release that guy into channel. And last, if you release it. You feel way, me the apologies you, yeah, disgracing you, yeah, disgracing by. But we're no more so we're no give. Una mo you know here. Who are you? I mean, restaurant about. Who do apologize? You don't know what you are restaurant. No, do apologize. We were remember that when we actually one when the Balabu. Man, yes, the Rabbi, 90 something years old, 90 something plus. Oh, you understand? With 12 children. You feel me so? We remember days 60 something plus. 60 something plus. Oh, you. Now I'm 45. I'm 45 years now. What do I come on with? Yeah, restaurant. I restaurant. After all those talk, one, you know, I give it, now again. Now, I give it good. Tell me, wow, what can border now? When I'm double. You understand? Today now, how far GPC? But nevertheless, it no give. And anytime I want to take a in every nonsense, there's always a sense. For you to come out and apologize, that's a nice one. You understand? It's a nice step. But to clear everything, to clear the hair, because your wife is beg your wife, carry your wife, Mona go greet her for us. Very simple. And the same way they go greet her for us. Mona kneel down with Papa Lao, you forgive, forget, let peace reign. You understand? Peace here. Move on with your life. Continue your level. You understand? Now, here is my judgment between you and Esther. Esther now, Esther, I don't buy you. No, I won't. Or you buy money, or you buy money. Esther is Zenia, we are apologizing the way he paid the fee because of a benefit in Golobesta. You understand? And if Esther can come to Europe and make peace between you and Esther, bravo. Between you and the path, I clap for Esther, bravo. And I also want Esther, a doctor, you listen and listen very cool. You have made peace between Enogi and his godfather. You also go home, Nigeria, after your Europe tour. Go Nigeria, go and make peace with Akoberian and you and Destiny. The fast and the full Ehan. You understand? You make peace now with Enogi. God use you now. God use you. God use you make peace. Settle Enogi with the pie. Enogi is the godfather, is the godson of Epai the Murphy. And I'm so happy that you as Esther, the ladies of song, now you can settle there now. You understand? That is a very nice one. Monica will cry this one. Monica is a vie. When we ask you, Monica, a piece will make them we don't want to be with Monica. Okay, no problem. And I'm happy about that. When Esther, when you make peace with Akoberian, your own godfather too. Now, peace we say we need for Edo. You go and do that. Where you make a peace with Akoberian, who make a peace with Ehan members. Let us see the peace that reigns in all of you. Then we'll be rejoicing and be happy. That's what we are all preaching about. We need peace. We go back home, make peace with Akoberian. Let me see that peace. We were Akoberian, we were to walk again away, but we you understand? Mighty Dwaikebe, they are out there. You understand? Make we see Akobe the respect. Go meet them. Carry them. Go meet Akobe for us. La baba da fun ya no go baba bon. No go Akobe kon la baba. No make na emi no bi wu no ya bon. That is the kind of peace we need. That's when we work. That's when we work. You understand? When we make okay we buna, I'm so happy it come from you. But what are you? Even though you were next we are making peace with Akobe. Because when we were there, we buna, Yeah, we go what my like. You understand? Only few people no reside the work back not happy. I'm not happy with it. So I want you to also go back home and settle you dispute anything on son or you have one forgive. Make peace with others women, both Sandra and whatever. Make peace with them, let peace reign. Even though we're right, go and settle with them. Even though we're right, go and settle with them. When you do that, we will be happy, we will just me I celebrate where the live video. Yes. You understand me? So I will be happy. Because the way we are seeing, oh yeah, let me what I'm squad. We are squad and the squad dinner. A squad na mana, a squad na side squad na are, squad na oh prese. Side squad no para, side squad no para prese. All the magwalaji, akubo eti, akugbini ni wa, mu wa do uye we ubona. Akugbini wa do uye we wa de na for peace, and you do the peace and it really work well. May God bless you, my sister. I'm so happy for that. May God bless you in thousands fold for this peace that you have made between a Nogi and a Pa. Osolobono bless you. Osolobono bless it. Owe the mafia can voyo. Owe the mafia kino. Ovon. Top voyo. You understand? Okay, have voyo. Osolobono bless you, Esther, for this peace. How we Osolobono a peace to make it. We need them. The same peace now we just need for us exactly. You understand? Now what we need? Anything we go the way you know say go the bring quarrel for now. Mona chill on. Oba go bad that do gaji. Agbage or say akwanya make you understand? Make peace. Where I could bet me and shoot the movie Western. Larry, the boom shoot. Larry, yes, it is. You understand? Okay, now what the total feel boy put money on the river. You understand? So while I hop, start peace. No make it now. Yeah, make it with a very very important. No matter what. That love won't affect get that time. That peace won't affect get that time. We need that. You understand? That time where I could be carried it, I go to say, Destiny, Bagua, Destiny, you go to say, well, I could be a singer, or a swagger, Destiny got to win a great peace in we need it. You understand? We need such peace again. So go and settle that peace. A peace in a why you make it. Since we already make corona when we're making our week so you understand? On we're making our week so what over. On we don't make a peace in a yawe boye yayo. Or what my yawe. So why do you make a peace in one? You understand? Where I just said to man yawe bonina who will take the bonnet a walk bin and a wee walk on a wee walk on at the end, you Esther come to make peace. You go still go settle up of their own for us. We would beg you, so about the debate. A brilliant somebody you have to make a peace in you. Go and make it back home. You understand? And we are so much happy. And this one will do so to make people really come out massive thumbs up for your next show. You understand? Italy, Spain, one thumbs up for Esther. Oh, you understand? Okay, we are really seeing that peace really deep. You understand? So now what we need be that one. So and I'm so much happy. GPC Ikia Magwalo. GPC Ikia Magwalo. GPC Ikia no Concom Magwalo. How market today? My brother, he don't read. How market? I don't dey shout for owner. Our market don't swell. So good. You know what you want to understand? Now good things they last forever. Evil no dey pay. Evil no dey pay. If you are a fake account and you do good, God will continue to bless you. But if you are a fake account, you are always fond of doing evil. Now backyard, now that person they go. See GPC today, now see now that. Gradually, the people that people believe on, they are all leaving you gradually. Now, Enugu don't decamp now. Vera don't decamp. Vera don't they mention Mommy Monica, my mommy, Mommy Monica. You know they mention it in again for life. Only know you be cut it, TV lolo. Now let alone the mention. Only know Ordinary be cut again. Ordinary be cut again. Then you see my life. You know, see the kind of life we want to live. A life a gaba gebe. A life a bona no one live. You understand? Oh, not say one time I walk out we wa. Akbo bona no one. E ga gbe vie bedene na. E native vie mu gba. E vie mu native boy ni oye mi do. E oye mi when na do with native. E vie ma oi wa keke yo keke. Ye ma de wu ye wi ane. That we view it. Just imagine the kind of lifestyle you live. Hey, the depression yang gbog yan yo. I become me one. I where you call it. Anytime I tell live video now, I don't understand. Unless you know my colleague fans the ban on my why. No. See your life. Believe a free life. The reason why I'm looking good, I'm shining, I'm enjoying myself. I'm okay. I need to see I got a new life on the rent. Me Nigeria when I'm in the Nigeria, we're all here. But I'm cool. It's like depression. I'm free. You understand? It's one on one. Why I live a life for man. Why I live life for man. Why I got more on my area. I mean, go why ya. Why I got more on my area. Yari Monica. And then with the boy Ladian. Yegi me topic ni wa tale tata to italo like me. Yari talo no like me live video where whether I will you talo or we give you or sleep venue wa talo wa. Italo no talo ni go make. You go make. You understand? Oh, talo. Ita yake no kuna bia na mo no kudare. Ito bi ye miss ene. Ye miss ene go bi. Very no gi yina. Ekiri no gi do na is very very early. Or why he did fresh for him to retrace his step back. Then we ekeni ye jina. Ekeni ye dege na. Isa de wili ye jina. Eyan clear. Eyan masota. Another retrace his step back. That's a man. It's a nice one for a no give. I'm telling you, if no give una no give my way a great thing I do so. Nice one for a no give because why? If you need a time, you may say you need one or you be body or time miss another way. Hey, Monica, you no give you look fearful or don't pay. I so much thank God we no give it the trace step away before I can dump here or the trace step away. And I'm happy for that. Yes. Okay, now. You understand? Okay. What Desmond Jasper? That I've been on Desmond Jasper. I Desmond Jasper. Look, the other look the man they to one with Desmond Jasper. Oh, but what doctor social media? Yeah, post the comment so. Ne wa mi period ni. Hamburg. Uh, Splash English. Splash English. Okay, English. Yeah, I was not at home. I just went out. Before I came back, I saw the missed call. Okay. Okay. I said I was not at home. So before I came back, I saw your missed call. Okay. Can you give me like 30 minutes? Let me through what I'm doing. Like 30 minutes. Can you give me like 30 minutes? 30 minutes. Okay, go ahead. All right, go ahead. I'm here. I'm here. Okay. Let's go. I said I'm hearing you now. Yeah. Yeah. Should I spell it for you? Okay. Victor@gmail.com. Yeah. Yeah. Sure, sure. But the major problem, the problem I have with my Facebook, that is why I requested for the appointments. I can't go live on my Facebook, and I was restricted for 7 days, and now it's about a month plus, a month and 2 weeks now. Can go live. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, I go across the community standard of Facebook community standard, and I was restricted for 7 days. And after 7 days, I couldn't go live. I was still restricted up to now. So up to, uh, all right. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Thank you very much. Bye. Sure, man. Yeah, man. That's bad. That's my Facebook group. That's from Mewa Talk Show Problem. You say that GPC. Mama one here say beluwa fún wa gbe page mi there na gbogbo. So let's go then. Udega go there with GPC. Monica we ya kaka gbogbo. Ofo wọn so yoma. You understand? Now, unyi wa to si no go we. Yen wo da fun we e o pe agbon. Dono wa ro me o pe agbon because to pe won ni gbe ohun we get misbehave. Physically knowing agbobe mi yen go pe a in who. You understand? Whatever the let's say, man, we lele we here, here you who was it. Iman no lele we here ni nwe. No brainwash ni. Okay, da me ni yan gbegbe. Iman ibu re we bu. Here you game madam. Yes. Iku ni bu yi re we bu na. Oba e wa ogidi gan o talk pe o. Owe no more human trafficking. Wa re ya sani madam. But why so why you re we bu na why ya sani madam. I madam wana Monica. Wa ni bu yi pe why you bondage with Monica. Nenge fa wani san la nya. Of ye vie no wa ya fe nenge vie la. Ge be de na ma fi pa de na iku. Huh? You know why you were on a van on the phone on a van because why? Those people are still in Monica's camps. Those are the people, some of the people that you bondage with Monica. Èmi ní àwọn ilẹ̀ ibẹ̀ kókó nẹ́gẹ́ vie láti nẹ́gẹ́ sílẹ̀ láti nẹ́gẹ́ wẹ̀ nẹ́gẹ́ kíago. You understand? Na so we go dey di iru wa wa ro he. Why would thou? I don't hear you go voice. Ereze ba. On m'a témoin. Faut mon témoigner. You understand? I'm here going. Well, we don't get me wali no more. Then how we done. You understand? So wahia. Wahia ni comment we no ma ye no give no de wahia. You know, you have get a boy where let it apologize. Yeah, wahia. You understand? But if you only hate you know give back me. Your more yani. You have begged to move forward. Very important. Na even na uniru. Me abokba na inside am go. You understand? Once I'm away na team. If you respect that your godfather, you know, give this one a straight message. If you respect your godfather, if you are sorry for all that happens, forget him in the godfather will tell you. You understand? Forget him in the godfather tell you who with me. Yes, Irano, you can't set it boy. You always a TV team, no, I don't know a ballot where you with me. No more than we know that boy. You understand? Even in the movie later you don't have right to repeat it again. If you sincerely know that you are sorry for all that happened, take your wife alongside and go and beg him. Boy, my deliver, you know what. Also, me now even all the reality fans. So no one deba wa. We know it to him na wala ho. It will very good. Yen pa mai gwan ya. Eh. Ye good be really be I mean why ya forgive. Let peace reign. I say I worry ever is you want. You understand? Oye pa oye want. Worry ever mu. The peace yaro. So no one deba wa ye. Never know image. Ono wa se sa do mi ai. Sa do mi ni wa ta ni no fa gbe to mi. Aí é problema não foi que todo não que mas quem é que falou boa coisa assim não vai se saber me aí yeah I like if you screen you like video me you understand so always we know what you see or now when you see if it's you like me or when my way I agree if I see what you do and I cherish what you do I will come out and praise you people that know me they will know the kind of person you understand I know why we know my way now I will still come and praise him or why we fuck up you you tell me man that's me I said, well, let's show you that I'm on my own in a squad. You really party up. I'm just one man squad. If I had the mafia, I fuck up when I only life, every time I have, yeah, time and number one move, but no man, one sensible way. Me, why you fuck up, if I tell you, man, why wouldn't mind about all it in the woman, if you pick a sensible way, you know. And like this is the woman life doing the woman. You understand? It is like you. Oh, yeah, do I see it? But do I see or some may buy you bonnie or say, where I do see, I go with Timata, man, and what it do now. You understand? A word here now. So please, all we need is peace and truth. Nothing but the truth. I don't want to ask me one, and any of you know. That's my trick. I am what I watch for. Allow. I don't know Facebook in this stuff. You came in, I am you came in. When I talk to the GPC, the platform you have the moon, touch on a platform of Riao. Platform FA. Platform FA video news for the past 4 months ago. Comment in the comment, platform FA. Ya gbogbo mẹ́wàá talk show ti today na máa yẹ kí na wọ́n ya lẹ̀ ìwé bíbí ẹ̀ comment 4 to 5 months ago the platform fẹ́ yìí ààrẹ AGPC ya wọ́ lọ ìyá report page mi you understand ayẹyẹ náà so wàá lè le náà gbó òkòwò náà ẹ̀mí nínú òkè kẹyìn rúgbò dánwò wa ẹ̀wọ̀n náà máa yà yín náà máa ti result of wàyàgbé fún wàhálà àwọn àgbẹ̀ PCR mi àárẹ̀ ọ̀wẹ̀ báwo lè sọ máa kó tó ẹ̀kọ́ àwọn èèyàn ikú àdókòyà mi. Last ọ̀pá ni àwọn kàrẹ́ náà on the internet later this evening I could iron another issue about Lolo and Ejimare British biker one kind of dynamic because we hear water. You understand? So now carry commenters or take it easy. You understand? Take it easy. Now it's your power, we don't you understand? But now we little. You want to say one ball of moon, one commenters. So what the power? whether good or bad. In every nonsense, there's always a sense. When we comment, what daily needs to we tap, and then when we tap, or we come to pass. You understand? When they commenters, people are really saying good things. What's my when I see when I present my coming one say, some people are ashamed to come out and speak the truth, but they write it out on live, on the comments, on the comment section. And that's the reason why you see some comments are very, very unique. You understand? Akure Joshua. And some comments are really enter Akure Junction where we okay. Off like we understand. God bless all of you now. God richly bless now in all that people are doing. So my people, I agree to now why you are off what do I know you more no or mala like you understand? Wa here no ya mu jamen wa ya liru ni so bono de ba it has look at be se ya you understand? It boy mu robe e ke mi wa here wa to wa wasi you understand? That way I rock my bio mu you understand? Oh, when we no more no you no we wa fan you understand? So bono de ba wa oh why area you abo you understand? What there we yes e mani ta o de vie o you wa gudu mo na uvi ogbe you boy yiki that way I mean you ga he understand off way gbe understand irun hin ana no wa obi wa fun obi uta oni na ngo we na na igbe na wa ya fe ya no mo ya ma fa la ko da wa mi gbe wa mi mu wa vi o ya wa vi esun mu da wo logbo e vi esun wa ologbo fi owu wa han bi wa e wa han wa vi osun so lo bo na wa vi esun yo hin ayi wo lo hin ayi ni me lo hin ayi ni ki wa me ya fe wa ya wa to enogi wa to understand for you to come out categorically to make that apologies. That's a nice one. So I'm do the way I'm you understand? So try. Mama every year you understand? You're supposed to know. Try the work well be where I'm you understand? They carry time like the words were do part of the pack okay, we draw understand? And that was my intention many months ago. The day that must conference my way could be. That was my intention on what we are supposed to do. It's going to be a surprising my match with you understand? I will drive down to there, we'll go there with Palahop, Mozoto. That was what I was planning for you. But you know those who was Imani go and go agree for the second time because I didn't like it. You understand? The amount of bag down who down you no water no man road. Name on road with it. Cut away. Who good advice, you know bad advice. Or let it too. If you take one, you don't take one, a problem for you. If you want make woman happy, if you give you good and bad advice, collect the two. Keep the bad advice. They always they use the good one. But what you go give her a job, you say you collect the two. As a wise man, you go collect the two. You go see and say, yeah, go definitely go or worry. Yeah, go definitely go worry. But where I walk but up and we only a deggy. No man running a deggy, no man running, no man because only we keep a we call a cup of no man where it day when we are alone. It is look here. The woman I just dark country, I lie you. Una wari, no no tell, no man or why using the man royal way, you cannot know the old. Robert Negi Made you understand? So it's just the way it is. So try as much as possible. Make peace with your friends. Imagine we were proof, imagine we because the attitude you have be and when we have very hard to empire the movie is very, very bad because when you need the movie, I don't buy away born of any you yet do not lawa or riba a hero. The connection with bed. You feel me? So la my brother, I'll use why you try as much as possible to apologize to that man. That man really be there for you these years. Understand? Don't just look one side. You said about we understand.